Hello viewers, a lot of users want to know about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. They are asking me whether they can buy this tablet at a price point of 22,000 rupees or not. Few months ago, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE was sold at a price point of 19,999 rupees on Amazon.in, and currently this device is selling at a price point of 22 to 25,000 rupees. But I don't think you should buy this tablet at 22,000 rupees because the price will definitely decrease in the next sale. Maybe in the Big Billion Days sale you can get this device at around 18,000 rupees, and that will be a very good buy. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE comes with Exynos 1380 processor, and it has all the functions that Samsung provides in a tablet. If you are a student and if you want to use a tablet for more than 3 to 4 years without any problem, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If you are a student, in that case you can read PDF like text in any website. That is a handy feature in Samsung, as well as in iPad also this feature is available. As this tablet comes with Exynos 1380 processor, you cannot expect high-end video editing or high-end gaming from this tablet. However, casual gaming and casual video editing may be expected from this tablet. If you have not yet bought Tab S9 FE and you are planning to buy, I would recommend you to wait for Big Billion Days sale to get the best discount. Even without credit card you will get very good discounts, and if you can manage credit card, in that case you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus at around 18,000 rupees. I know many people have many questions regarding many tablets, so ask me those questions and I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day and I will see you in my next video.